So this is the live stream for Tuesday the 27th of February, and with this live stream here we're continuing trying to grow this account. Again, this is our simulation account. I should say we do have a series of accounts being copied onto that account, so let's have a look. We do have no, this is not what we want to see. Maybe better off using the replicando. So we are copying, so we've got our sim account which we're using as our main account on display. We are copying a 250k and 550k, so we'll see how that goes, whether we're able to keep and pass these accounts, or whether we will lose all those accounts. And as you can see, these accounts are new from the 90% sale. We traded them yesterday, so this account doesn't count. This is our sim account, simulation account, and that's a new 250 and the 150s there. And as you can see, that's just yesterday's balance being copied over. So we'll see if we're able to pass these accounts or not. And let's see. I have to have a look at the accounts. Let's see. So today, what have we seen? We've had market open, sell off through that 965 there. Again, went as low as 41. Pulled back, held that level, went to the upside here. Haven't quite got towards 940, 18,040 that we're looking at. Put in a high, a lower high, and you can see we're in a bit of a range at the moment. So with this high, looking at, we'll draw a box, draw a rectangle box here. So as we can see, it's slightly below our that's 18,040. Come down towards this level of support, had the bullish bounce in towards that box there. Seen some selling here, but again we're in a bit of a range. You can see before the market open, we ranged somewhat before the market open. Some volatility came in and we sold off. Market seems to be there's a marked drop off in volatility. I'm going to go look at the VIX, see what the VIX is doing. I'm just waiting for that to load. I'm just going to go into mute here. Let's have a look. Let's see. So I've had prices come below the moving average ribbon here. Counted some resistance, rejected, but we're into this area of support. We could see a bounce around that 987 to 77, that 10-point area. We are seeing some bullish momentum there. No, not bullish momentum, some buying. Let's see where we are. Yeah, we've been in this range to the short side. We are looking at a move down to 77. Again, we're hanging around in the range on the VIX. Let's see what the VIX is doing. Let's see what the VIX is doing here. VIX is in the buy zone. So VIX is in buy zone at the moment. So VIX is in buy zone. VIX is in buy zone. Seeing buying come in. Ideally, I'd probably like to short this down to 77. I may just take a short here. I'm just going to take a short.
Order submitted.
Looking to target the dart level down at 77 to the downside here. Again, we could bounce from where we are. So that's at 76, 75. So 77, 75. That's where we'll move our target to 77, 75. We'll get our line. 77, 75. We're in only one contract. And let's see. Line width 5. Apply. There's our target down at 77, 75. So we're thinking about adding just then. Buyers are coming back into this market. Let's just see what we do here. Again, we've come into this area where we've seen these wicks, so there is a possibility of prices being bought back up. Seeing if we're having some difficulties here. If I do get in more, I'll be adding. Not quite seen the follow through yet. To the downside. I'm just going to add. Oh, hold on. It's almost added there. Good thing I wasn't filled. Yeah, I'm just. Oh, hold on.
Order submitted.
77, 75. So 1 point above the dart level. So I added 4. Looking for that move down, just off the candle changing over. I may just let's see. I was short, so I'll have to buy. Looking for that move down towards a dart level, 77, 75. Gone down to 79.50, down to the 80s. Looking for some follow through here. Ah, goodness me. Looking for the follow through. Just looking for that follow through. Pretty close to my target there. Trading through 80, counting some difficulties here. Not a huge fan. Tested at 80. It looks like 3 times now. Seen buyers come in. Not a fan at all. Just want to see a quick flush down, clear out the 80s. That's what I'm looking for. It's not what I want to see. Don't want to see buyers come back in. Definitely not. Far too much buying there. Just trying to be patient here. Trying to wait a little bit here. No, that's a bit too much bullish buy side momentum there. Clearing out these highs here. Not a fan of that at all. Not a fan of that at all. Tell you what. Let's see. Let's see where my stop would be. Sorry, that's too far away. Let's see what we do here. May have to get out. May have to get out here. And now we close. Just looking what we're doing here. Do we close above the dot level above? Looks like it. Close.
Order filled.
Those end up being 5 contracts, so we can see. Dug myself a bit of a hole there. Dug myself a bit of a hole. Did mention it was ranging a little bit here. Didn't quite close above that dot level.
Order
Gonna go
submitted.
short if it can get filled. So we rejected the level there.
Order
77,
submitted.
75. So I've gone in for another short. Can close above the dart level. Didn't quite do it. Closed in anticipation as prices went up just recently on the trade which I suffered the loser on.
Order submitted.
So now been filled and I'm short 5. Candle got bought back up. Hold on, I did say VIX was in buy side momentum. Why am I short? Hold on. If VIX is in buy, why am I short? No, I should be thinking about longs. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? Gonna have to close this for a loss. Just waiting to see if we close above that dart level to the upside here. Still having difficulties around it, so I'm gonna, rather than like last time, close the position early. I'm just gonna wait. See if we keep rejecting the upside dart level here. Although we do seem to be rejecting that 20 period.
Order
Just
submitted.
short 4.
Order
Short 4.
canceled.
So in 9. Just took profit on those 4. Price keeps going down here. Looks to be going towards.
Order
More looking for that
submitted.
77, 75.
Order filled.
Really bearish there. So I'm short 9. Looking for that 77, 75. Came off strongly bearish off that moving average there.
Order filled.
Looking for that move down towards that 77, 75. So I mean, what did I say? 13 contracts there. Just
Order
been hit
filled.
there. Strong moves to the downside. And through was at 77, 75. So I got out a bit early. Took a loss. came in, added, took profit. With that one, added up to 13 contracts, hit target down at 77.75. That took us from being negative to being positive, slightly up. So if we bring these accounts over, that's what we are in our accounts that are being copy traded, just there. But all we're focusing on is our main account here. We don't seem to be have any contracts open. So we're almost done for the day here. Some difficulties in this trade, definitely. This one, I thought we would be closing above the dark level. Came out early and the market sold down. Sold down off that level, got back in, leave added, managed to take, got back in. Below the level, added, took profit, came down, added again and took profit. So that's where we are. Currently it's 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. This again is probably going to be an early day for us. We're not trying to, hold on, I've got to plug my laptop in because the charge is down. Give me a second here, I'm just going to go on mute. So we're back. Oh, you know what? I did not put my disclaimer up. How could I not put my disclaimer up? What am I thinking? So I need to get to my notepad. Copy. Template, load template, do not copy trade, paste. Okay, so with my disclaimer up there, demo trading, do not copy trade. So I want everybody to be aware of that. I don't want anybody to go lose an account or anything. Definitely not. Had prices come up here. I rejected at 20 period moving average. Get to the downside. We're looking at that 965. Looks like it might be a short stream again today. Currently 20 minutes in. Probably looking for one more opportunity to take us over the 5 mark. One more opportunity definitely takes us over 5. Definitely. There we are. So. Looks like just gonna stay patient here. We're in a bit of a rangy zone. Got these highs, got lower highs, chopped all the way down. The fact that we can't get the got a pretty obvious level here at 965. the fact that we can't just sell off down to it. Instead, we're chopping about rather than moving out of this area of resistance down towards level, possibly suggest there's buyers. We just broke these lows, and these lows here would have been cleared out the stops, but we didn't see that follow through. Came pretty close, didn't quite get down there. So with the VIX being in a sell zone, let's see how strong the sell zone the VIX is in. Fairly, I wouldn't say supremely strong. VIX is only down 2.8%, so it's not like a super strong amount, but it is a sell zone for the VIX. I'd have to be aware of the possibilities of market moving higher. What was the pre-market high? Oh wow, pre-market high again around at 18,040. Underlining its importance. So from 18,040 we saw that sell off all the way down to 87. Again, 50 points off that, and I don't believe we traded higher. No, we don't. So this was during the European session there. Trade up towards 18,040, acting as its resistance there. So let's move our demo trading sign. Just want to disclaim that to everyone, that it is a demo account. So this is a fairly healthy profit right here, and I shouldn't try to undermine. I definitely should not try to undermine its significance, because as we can see, 220 trading days, if we average that every 220 trading days, that's what we would get at the end of the year. So definitely don't underplay it. So we'll just take one more opportunity. Who knows, there may be some fatal last words. See if we can try to slowly build here. As you can see, slowly building. We're about what's that, 12 away. Let's see. Let's have a look. See, we're pulling back strongly off that 20 period there. So look at that strong pullback off the 20 period. Strong pullback off that 20 period right there. Looking to retest these lows. Maybe this is the time that we're going to go down towards that 965 there. And we're at 77. 965, 967. Do we break those lows? Seeing this buy up here. Fairly strong buy up at the end there. Certainly tired. Got a bit of a creaky chair. What's happening here? Seeing some strong selling there. Down to 72. Looks like we're coming to retest the lows. So we came in towards the 20 period moving average. Encountered difficulty selling back towards the lows. Certainly tempting to go short down towards that 65. Certainly feels tempting. Seems like that would be a little bit of a magnet. Let's see what the buyers do here. Let's see if they can buy back up off these lows into this range, or whether they're going to get stuffed. If they do get stuffed, looking for a retest of the lows. Seeing good momentum here. Looks like we're going to close strongly here. hold the highs. Interesting. Very interesting. Back up towards the 80s. Good strong close. Good strong close right there. Good strong close. I think we're just going to wait around a little bit. Got this slow chop to the downside. Interestingly, not seen that follow through as of yet. Not seen that follow through quite yet. Definitely caught in two minds whether I should just end it here, call it a day. Couldn't quite get to the 20. That can't be right. Let's see. This market keeps threatening to head lower. Keeps threatening. This bullish candle not being followed through. It's not really a great sign if you're a bull. This candle having difficulty seeing follow through. Got a low of the candle being 72.75. 72.75. That looks like it's coming into focus here. Yeah, the entire candle's been given up. Right there. Prices are coming in. Close bearish. Below that level. All the way down. Move up. Looks like it's being sold. 67. It's too close. It's too close to that 65. It's too close. It's too close. Opportunity missed. Opportunity missed. That's just too close. I can't just take that looking for 3 points. That's crazy. No, 65's coming in focus. That's just too much. If I wanted to get in, I should have got in earlier. There we are at 65. So, nope. We'll wait. We will wait. See, this is saying up, but it's interactive with 65, so this could easily reverse from here. So we'll just stay away a little bit here. Definitely think about reverse off this level. Off that 65.
Order
Long,
submitted.
if I get filled. Had a bullish
Order
65.
filled.
Not going to get filled. Doesn't look like it. We're at 74. Not
Order
going to be filled.
canceled.
Cancel the order. A quick close, so. Boys. Hold on.
Order filled.
Oh it seems that I closed out of my main position, but the copied accounts were still in. Okay, interesting. So as you can see, we've got variability here. So here's the sim account, there's a copied accounts. As you can see, they're quite a bit, an okay amount above the main account. So I thought I cancelled, but copied accounts were still going, so I had to flatten them all. I was looking for that long. I weren't filled on the main account here, so decided to cancel. And as you can see, price is going up. So I was looking at 65, looking to hold it, look for the counter move off it, looking for some tight risk on it, and okay, could have stayed in the copied accounts, but I didn't like the fact that I wasn't filled on the main account. Those accounts were filled, so just flattened out. We'll just wait again for another sell. No problem, just be patient. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Good strong move there, all the way up to 80. Good strong move. Oh, I shouldn't be doing that in front of the mic. Sorry about that. Definitely shouldn't be doing that in front of the mic. Need to be more self-aware. Need to be more self-aware. So, we've come into, goodness me, that would have been a very good position right there. Yeah, could have got in 71 through 81. Good 21 points or so. So, let's see, if we do get a long signal, do we take it? Well, the answer would be yes. And that's only based on the fact that we've hit this support level 965, seen strong bounce off it, pure buying, not a single red candle. Also, VIX is still in sell zone, no, in buy zone, even though it's switched to sell, still within a buy zone. So let's see, where can I find my charts? I really need to change. Okay, we need to change the color here. We're going to remove the color from this one. We're going to remove the color from this one. So we're above the 20 period here, which has been acting as a descending resistance. So we're above the 20 period. Again, we do see the buy side momentum, looking for a move up towards that 91. Looking for a move up to 91 there. Which is kind of crazy if you think about it. If we would have kept in this position here, but we'll stay focused. Definitely just stay focused here. Not trying to do too much. Trying to stay patient. Okay, so we're at 87. Oh goodness me, the entire range is about to be taken here. Looks like, yeah, there we go, the entire range is taken. So the move up to 91 is out of the question now. In hindsight, there's a signal. There is a signal. Ah, there it goes. It got gone through 91. Ah, goodness me. Signals come in. We've gone through 91. Range has been taken. Just not what we're looking for. We've got, let's see what we've got. We've got the 200 period sitting at 97. We're at 93. We could go for a play towards the 200 period.
Order submitted.
Looking for a move up to 97. Let's go 90.
Target
Oh, there we go.
filled.
Just take profit. Just take profit. That spiked up too much. That spiked to about 98 or so. So I was like, nope. Gonna take profit right there.
Order
Oh,
filled.
hold on. Not everybody's been flattened. Do you want to flatten all the positions?
Order filled.
Yes. What's going on here? Flatten. Yes. Why is not all the accounts flattening? Why is that account in yellow on the copy trader? What is that? What does this yellow thing mean? Out of sync? Huh? What does that mean? Out of sync, flatten. Okay, what account is that? 46. Account 46. Account 46, where are you? It's right there. Positions 1. Let's take close. Close position. Connections. Disconnect. Yes. Reconnect. Hoping when I reconnect this, it gets me at it. Well, we're in. Oh my gosh, we're in more profit there. Wasn't showing moving P&L. It was not showing moving P&L. So, and account 46 is our. Account 46 is our 250k account. So, see, we got no working positions. Hold on, show that. No working buys, no working sells, no positions. So, that account 46. So we've closed that one out. So, hold on, where's the realized gross? Oh, there we are, gross and realized. So there's okay, so the commission's taken off. All right, okay, all right, that makes sense. So our copy trader is showing is correct now. So yeah, that's where we are on the day, and gonna call it an early day again. Now going to push our luck. We're at the 200 period moving average here, countering some difficulties. Again, we took up the range. We're looking to get in, get out before 91. Got in, looking for the move up towards our 200. Prices spiked above, took profit. So we're just going to end it there on that main account. This is the account we're focusing on. We just want to make sure the copied accounts don't do what they're not supposed to do. So on the copied accounts, You can see we slowly building them. I'm not trying to go over the top a little bit here. So got a got a pretty good day. Although we're calling it a day right here. So again, they are some way off target, but we're happy where we are. Just trying to do them slow. Not going to go through the issues I've had in the past where, you know, I've tried to swing for the fences and ended up on my face. So definitely going to be calling it a day here. We're 41 minutes in, so it's going to be a shorter stream, but there is the opportunity to look for that 18,007. Goodness me, this looks very bullish here. This looks like a bull flag. You know what? I may live to regret this.
Order filled.
And the level is 0775, so 0675. So 0675. That's where we're taking profit. Hoping this isn't a false breakout.
Order submitted.
Looking for the 0675, so I added 4 just then. Looking for 0675, gone to 05, 0525. Okay, we just spiked up there, 05, 0550. Looking for 0675, 1 point below the dot level. Goodness me. Thought it was about to be filled. Came a couple of ticks away from my target. Oh no, that's not what we want to see. That's not what we want to see. Looking for 0675, 1 point below the dot level. Oh, goodness me. Didn't see the follow through. Interesting. No. No. Coming back down, testing that 200. Seeing what we do here off that 200. Getting bought back up off that 200.
Order
In line.
submitted.
Looking to
Order
get back
filled. Order submitted.
here. Can we get back through open here? Can we spike back through open at 18,002.25? We're looking to take profit on 4 of the contracts here. Looking for it to spike back up through where the candle open. Looking for it to spike back up. Just sort of buying off the 200 briefly there. Looking for it to spike back up. Or 1, or 125, or 150. Looking for it to go to 0225. Looking for it to go to 0225 to take profit right there. Ah, goodness me. It's gonna move it down a tick to 02. Just looking for it to go to 02. Looking for it to go
Order
for 02, so we
canceled.
took profit on 4. Currently still long 5. Looking for the 0675. Looking for 0675. Current highs are 06. So seeing our bullish move of the 200 period. Looking for that move to 06. Seeing more selling come in here. Not what we want to see. Certainly not what we want to see here. Ah, goodness me. Dilemma, dilemma, dilemma. Seeing buying again off that 200 period. Close below it. Seeing some bullish
Order
long.
submitted. Order submitted.
Looking to take profit.
Order
open
submitted.
at 01 here on the 01. So I was long 4 off the bullish move of the 200 period. Looking for this to retest the open of that bearish candle at 01.
Order
Right there.
cancelled.
Again, looking for that 0675. Looking for that 0675. Can we close? Gone up to 02. Gone up to 02 there. 03, 0350, 04, 0470, 0475, so that's 2 points away. 05, 0450, 05, 0625, 2 ticks away. You know what? I'm gonna trail my stop up above break even, so 1 tick, so it's 2 ticks away. You know what? I'm gonna draw it. You know what? Forget it. Not risking that. No way. No way. If it comes down and gets me, oh well. You know what? Looks like it's about to get me.
Order filled.
So it's just got me. It went 2 ticks away, and my trail stop was hit. So you can see growing the account a bit there. So equity's not quite at the highs. Where was I filled just then? Interesting actually. So I went to 0650. It's looking at 0675, so 1 tick away. Goodness me. Probably should have adjusted my expecting nobody.
Order filled.
Okay, so let's have a look. So we saw prices head towards 0650, so one tick away from our target, and trailed my stop, and my trail stop was hit. So let's see, so went to 0650, I believe it's F. Oh, there it is. That would have been hit target just then. Wow, so if I was a little bit more patient, would have hit target at 0675. But yeah, trailed up, and as you can see, that's the target we got. So that's where we are on the other accounts. See, this is the main account there, our SIM account. These are the copied accounts. So let's see where we did. Oh wow, no way, no way, no. Is it Control E? Oh, that's too many executions, goodness me. Well, seems I was filled around 18,075, so I gave up about 6 points. Gave about 6 points on 5 contracts, so that's quite a bit away from the equity highs. It's a fair bit. It's about 600 or so away from the highs. Interesting. It's about 600 or so from the highs. Let's drag this over a bit here. Let's drag this over a bit. So it's like 6 points away from the highs. 6 points away from the highs on this move up. So definitely should have trailed more aggressively. Hold on a sec. What is that? No way. What is that? What's this bullish move here? One of the accounts, it looks like. Interesting. So about 6 points off the high, so yeah, definitely definitely went into my drawdown a bit there. You know what, I shouldn't even I'm not even going to look at my no, I'm not going to rhythmic and looking at my where my drawdown is. End of the day, we know what the deal is. We've had prices head one tick from target, had prices come back all the way down 6 points or so, so we'll accept that. 6 points off our highs, we'll accept it. So we can see that we're slowly growing the account here. Again, we're about 12 away. We're about 12 away. As you can see here, slowly growing the accounts. They're quite a bit away, quite a significant bit away. But we'll just accept that. Let's go and have a look at VIX. Again, VIX is showing some sell, but still in the buy zone. VIX showing some sell, but still in the buy zone. It's been bought back up here off the 20 period strongly. Bought up here off the 20 period. Looks like one of those inverted hammers, so if it is one of them, I'm going to buy. Oh, no. Hold on. That's coming down a little bit too much. So, good thing I wasn't filled. Make sure. No, wasn't filled. There we go. It's a good thing I wasn't filled there. I was planning to go long for a move up and would have been stopped out. So, good thing I wasn't filled. Hold on a second here. It's a bit of a reversal signal, that. It's a bit of a reversal signal. Let's see. It's a bit of a reversal signal. But it's a new strategy. Do I really want to take it? The reversal strategy. Do I really want to take it? Hesitating far too much here. No, you've hesitated too much. Usually, if you're going to do it, you just do it. Far too much hesitation right there. And you know what? I'm trying to convince myself to get that equity back to highs. I think that's what's happening here, which is dangerous. Because ordinarily, this would be something I would look at and think, wow, fantastic. But knowing that I've got out 6 points off, the highs, somewhat bothering me a little bit here. Okay, so what we're seeing here, see more bullish momentum coming off that 20 period. Couldn't quite close below it. So do we take the long and go for, we've had the short sell of this candle here. See, it could go either way. One strategy will have us go long, the other will have us go short. The move off the moving average isn't really a strategy. The actual strategy is for a short, so again, close bullish. You know what?
Order filled.
Close below the 20, then we get out. Ah, that's just dumped again. Hold on a second here. I need to zoom out a bit. I may be getting in a bit too, I'm probably a bit too zoomed in. No, there isn't really a level. Alright, so we close below that 20. Okay. Close below the 20.
Order submitted.
If we get filled. Oh, goodness me, not filled on the 4. Would have just took profit. Okay, let's cancel that 4.
Order filled.
Order rejected. What does that mean? Position. Hold on a second here. Position's 5. Hold on. Why am I in on those trades? Oh, for food's sake, mate.
Order. Order submitted.
I'm going to. Oh, goodness me.
Order
Now it
filled.
starts going off. So that short signal. Oh, sugar. What's going on here? You see, being filled in those.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Looking for the move back for open to take profit. Move back for open to take profit here. Ah, flip, man, that short signal would have been perfect, man. Flatten.
Order.
Yes.
Order filled.
Goodness me. Goodness me. So from being up to being down. Wow.
Order submitted.
Oh, hold on.
Order filled.
Oh, sugar.
Order filled.
I'm gonna have a look at the VIX. Just went long again. Got out. Seems that this market's going short. All those ads has put me into a bit of a pickle here. I don't know why I've got this long bias at the minute, but I seem to can't shake it. Looked at this area where we had the dart level, talked about a short around there, decided not to, instead being convinced to get into these longs. It's not been working for me. So we are getting bought back up here. You can see off this wick.
Order filled.
Looking for that rotation. Oh, sugar. Up to 675.
Order filled.
Oh, stopped up. Should have got out of that position. May lose his account. Oh wow, look at all that selling that's coming in. Goodness me. Oh goodness me.
Order
Where's the level
submitted.
here? The level's at 60. I'll be shorting through 65. So I'm short 60, 68. Looking for that move down to 65. Currently short 5 contracts. Price have gone down to 65. Who knows if it reverses here? I'm in a hell of a lot of shit. I'm actually depending on this price is going through that 65 all the way down to 60. Copy. Control V. Which may not be the smartest thing. And all of this just because of 6 points. Let's see what's next over down here. 46.50. I think I'm going to target 46.50 here. $46.50. Let's see what happens here. See a bullish candle off 60, we're gonna get out. Looking for this momentum here to take us through 60. Again, big risk as there's at 965. Big risk. Looking for that 965 to break. Flipping out. How far are we on this candle? 30 seconds to go. Strong bullish move here off that 965. 11 seconds to go. Looks like we'll have to close for a loss. Another loss. Okay, so we break this high by a point. So 79 I'm getting out. And this is going to be a very bad day. So that's at 44.50. So at 44.50 we are looking at 44.50, so 45.50, 45.50, 45.50. Getting out of 45.50, that's where our target is. Otherwise we get stopped out at 79 from an entry of 68.75, 5 contracts. So say 69 down to 45. Goodness me. Well, I'm expecting support to break. Looks like I'm about to be stopped out here.
Order filled.
I'm expecting support to break, honestly. There was a trade off that level. So from positive to negative. Okay. So I think all these accounts are gone now. Yeah, I believe that all these accounts are gone. Because I was up nearly, yeah, I must have been up over 1 on these accounts, so these accounts are likely gone. And we've got this big drawdown in this main account. I think the only account that's not gone is the 250k account. How quickly things change. I'm having a good day, carried on. Yeah, I think we'll wrap it up there, so let's have a look. So all the 150s, they're all gone. 100% sure they're all gone. The 250, that's still there, but that's on life support. So yeah, that's that for those accounts. Got them on the 90% sale, but it's no excuse. No excuse at all. VIX is still in the sell zone. Well, it's in a buy zone, but the trigger's saying sell. On the calendar, got a 7-year note auction in 30 minutes. Why would I try and short through support and not simply take profit when I had it? Goodness me. Found a move off that 65 all the way up to 08. Came down. Buying all through here. Goodness me. Started trading 5 contracts, which is far too much. All the good work I've done in the past couple of days have been with 1 contract. Started with 5 and look how quickly I lost the accounts. Look how quickly I lost these accounts. So let's see. Well, let's see what happens here around this 20 period. If we are going short of this 20 period, I might just accept that these accounts are lost. Had 2 bounces off Z, so
Order filled.
looking for the move down to 65, just using 1 contract. Looking at it as if it's a 20 period rejection here. And you can see only 1 account's working on the copy trader, and that is because all the other accounts
Order filled.
all the other accounts have gone into administration. So a bad day in the office. A very bad day in the office. So we got a short setup here.
Order submitted.
Yeah, that's telling me that the other accounts have all got, what's happening here? All the other accounts have has issues around 6150. All the other accounts have issues because they've gone into administration mode. It's going to take profit here around 6150. Again, it's below the 65 level. But we've got a short signal here. A 675. A675. So the take profit here is 61.50. Only account that's working at the moment is that 250k. No
Order
profit there.
filled.
I'm just going to take profit. I'm just going to wrap it up here. So very bad day in the office. Saw what it was. Coming up here. We'll just end the stream here actually. So if you've watched the stream, thank you for watching. If you like the stream, think about liking. If you've not subscribed, think about doing that as well. Thanks for watching.